This video is for Math 261, Applied Calculus, and we are reviewing for the final exam. This is question number 6. Find S of t, where S of t represents the position function, V of t represents the velocity function, and A of t represent the acceleration function. Look, we're given the acceleration function, and we have to go our way back, okay? So let's first find the velocity function by integrating that acceleration function given. So the velocity is the integral of negative 18t plus 4. So what's that going to give us? First, negative 18t, the antiderivative is negative 18t squared divided by 2. And then we're going to have to put plus 4t. Don't forget to put plus c. Now let us simplify this, okay? So the velocity function is, let's simplify, negative 9t squared plus 4t plus c. But they gave us an initial condition to figure out what this c is. So look, the second clue given to us right here is that v of 0 is equal to 3. So I'm going to copy this, and we're going to use this to find what the c is, okay? So take a look. What they are saying here is if we plug in 0 in for t, the velocity should be equal to 3. So here's what I'm doing. I'm going to do negative 9 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0 plus c. And this clue is telling us that that better equal what? 3. So we can tell that the first two terms are all 0. And c must be equal to 3. So we found the velocity function. Let me write it. V of t is negative 9t squared plus 4t. Not plus c anymore, but plus 3. Now, we don't stop here because they want us to go all the way back up to the position function. So we're going to do this one more time. But the second time, we are going to use that clue right there. So I'm going to just copy this real quick. All right. But to go from the velocity function to the position function, we are going to integrate one more time. So S of t is the integral of the velocity function. Okay? So, first of all, that negative 9t squared will give us negative 9t cubed over 3. Moving on. Plus 4t will give us plus 4t squared over 2. And then lastly, plus 3t. Do not forget to put the plus c now. Now let's simplify this position function. So we know S of t is something like negative 3t cubed plus 2t squared plus 3t plus some unknown c value. But we can figure out what that c is by using this clue they gave us. So what they were saying is if we plug in 0 in for t value, I'm doing that right now. Everywhere you see t, plug in 0. But that plus c should remain as plus c. But this better equal what number? 4. So I'm about to simplify this. Notice all these first 3 terms, they go straight to 0, right? So that tells me c is equal to 4. So let's write the final answer now. We'll do that in the pink color. So the final answer, S of t, is all this with the 4 right there. Okay? So S of t is negative 3t cubed plus 2t squared plus 3t plus 4. So this one you have to integrate twice in a row to go from the acceleration function first to the velocity function, and then integrate that velocity function to find the position function using initial condition twice. Okay?